Welcome to Merigiri online classes. Welcome back to science class. Today we are going to study about the symbol machines. What is a symbol machine? When we will use symbol machine? Symbol machines are which is helping for our easy work. Symbol machines are tools which help our work easier. They help us to do the work by applying force. Some of the examples for symbol machines are lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle, pulley, screw, etc. These are some of the examples for the symbol machines. Symbol machines are the tools which help our work easier. One by one we can study. We can take some of the examples. First we can take levers. It is also a type of symbol machine and it is commonly used like pliers, bottle opener, tweezers and hammer. You may have seen that the people are taking the heavy rock. How they will take the heavy rock or the wooden plank, how the heavy wooden plank, how they will take it. You may have seen that they are keeping under the rock or under the heavy wooden plank a rod they will keep. A rod they will keep and it will help them to lift the object. And a small stone they will keep under that for the support. We will use downward forces on that and it will help us to lift the rod. The rod is lifted upwards. The rod lifted by the person is known as load. The point of support or the point of the rod where it touches a small stone, that is known as fulcrum. The force used is the effort. Load, fulcrum and effort. The lever can be classified according to the position of the fulcrum, load and the effort. Then first we can state there are first class lever, second class lever and third class lever is there. Then first we can study about the first class lever. When the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort, it is known as first class lever. Second one, when the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort, it is known as second class lever. When the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load, it is known as third class lever. Class lever example, hammer. Second class lever example, nutcracker, wheelbarrow, etc. Third class example, tweezers, fishing rod, etc. We can move on to the inclined plane. Inclined plane. What is an inclined plane? What is an inclined plane? An inclined plane is a slope which is help to make our work easy. Walking up a slope is easier than climbing a ladder to the same height. When workers have to load or unload a truck, they use a plank or wood as an inclined plane. Usually, inclined planes are there in the hospitals, schools. That is known as ramps. Inclined plane is called ramps. wide next to the staircases. This helps to pushing the wheelchairs. May be enjoyed the rides moving up and down. This is just like an inclined plane. Coming to the pulley. Pulley is a small wheel with a groove. You may have seen pulley. We take the water from the well with the help of a pulley. The pulleys together, it have a groove is there. So in the groove, what will be, they can keep the rope in position. The pulley together hold with a chain or a rope is used to lift object. If we want to take any object from the down with the help of pulley, very easily we can take it. With a less force or less effort is enough. There are two types of pulleys are there, fixed pulleys and movable pulleys. The pulley which is used for drawing water from the well is a fixed pulley. It is helping to lift the water. It is tied at the one end of the rope and the rope is we will put in between the groove. So very easily we can take the water from the well. Fixed pulley will help our work easier by changing the direction of a force. And a small pulley will be used in the flag pole while we are lifting the flag. The pulleys are using to lift the load, wheel and axle. Pushing a load on wheels is easier than carrying a load. A wheel with a rod is attached to it is known as wheel and axle. A wheel is attached on the rod is known as wheel and axle arrangement. Wheel and axle are generally used in the vehicles, some of the machines. Now coming to the screw. A screw is a simple machine and when we will use the screw to tie the two objects together. Why? It is better than a nail. When we join together with a screw, they held together through a longer distance held together. When we join two objects together with a screw, they held together through a longer distance and thus cannot be forced apart. On the other hand, when we join with a nail, they held together for a short distance. The bigger screws are known as screw jacks. Machines are the combination of the many of the simple machines. More detail about the simple machine we can study in our live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.